Smart Seeds is an innovation program where young professionals from different organisations come together over a 10-week period to focus on solving challenges in the urban design and infrastructure sectors. Multidisciplinary teams develop a creative concept to solve a real infrastructure challenge, then present it to a panel of current industry leaders.
A company like Yarra Valley Water, we've got $4 billion worth of assets that are mostly hidden from the public but generate a great deal of value in terms of an essential service in terms of water and sanitation. And sometimes it's hard to tell the story because it's quite low involvement. You know, turn the tap, flush the loo, and they don't really think about interaction with the product or the service.
Certainly in my job, I'm responsible for looking after all sorts of things that happen around the city, and as I was sitting there listening to those concepts, I thought, oh, that's something I can actually take back to the office, that's something I can hand over to the CEO of the Arts Centre Victoria. That's an initiative that we'd actually pick up and try and drive forward.
From the start, you get a topic that's maybe out of left field, something that hasn't been thought about quite so innovatively before.
3 milestone events occur throughout the 10-week program, including a launch workshop, midpoint breakfast, and showcase event. During this time, the participants will also develop innovation skills, refine presentation and teamwork skills, build their professional networks, and get a buzz from creating and sharing new ideas.
The main thing I would take from Smart Seeds is working from an interdisciplinary standpoint. Within our own team, we had people who worked on roadways, within power, geospatial, myself in environment, and also within water.
Well, I thought it was a great opportunity to work with a diverse group of people, all in different industries, and come up with different ideas. So definitely a fantastic thing to do out of the ordinary.
I guess the relationship we've formed as well going forward will be beneficial to us.
So obviously with Cara, having her as our mentor, it's been amazing. I think that's the value I've really gained from it.
It's absolutely critical to develop our young engineers, our architects, our innovators. They're really tomorrow's generation who are going to come forward and actually make things happen. They will benefit from the mentoring that people who are a bit older can give them, but their development is critical to where we want to be in 20 or 30 years' time.
So we have to do things a lot smarter the way we work and the way we deliver.
Our idea was a bit out there, and I think that in terms of the way change happens, in 10, 20 years' time, perhaps our ideas will actually be implemented.
So I think based on some of the stuff we've seen today, I expect to see a lot more of some of these young, enthusiastic and innovative people.
Smart Seeds began in Melbourne just 3 years ago and is now being run nationally in Australia. Smart Seeds continues to grow as it provides a platform for young professionals to showcase their fresh ideas for solving real-life challenges facing the infrastructure industry.